So guys, this is my logo, and if you want a detailed logo, then you can subscribe, and I'm going to make this. And on Photoshop I make this as well and post it on freelancer.com. And this is my entries which I posted it, and it is the euro contest prices. And now let's change this. So I take this font and I'm gonna take this F. Okay, F, right F, sorry F, and I'm gonna use Gotham bold, and I'm gonna take all. Okay, this is our. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I make this, and we are going to create outline. And now I'm gonna offset path, and write 3 and where is pathfinder? Pathfinder. And now I'm gonna change this. But I don't think, okay, an object path, offset path, and 5 pt is, oh, it's too big. I'm gonna take this 4 pt and just, ah, and now I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this, and so here's done. And now I make this gradient. I told you this is our logo. Okay, and now we are going same as it is, delete. And now we're gonna take this and delete.
ये दो इधर नहीं नहीं इधर दो तुमने काम कर लिया
I'm gonna take this and again energy and font. It's a very minimal logo, and I posted today on uh, freelancer.com. Where 2 is enough. Now I'm gonna take this light and Create outline. Control G. Now it's done. And done. Now it's done. Now it's very okay. So it will be done. Control G. Two is enough. And again, two is enough to create and done. Expand it. Group it. Done it. And it's done. Now uh, I'll take this energy and this is now we are going to post it on a wall or mockup. So now we are going to copy it and now we are going to Photoshop and paste your logo here and delete it and again paste it. Enter it and just yes. So if you like my videos then do share and subscribe and follow me on Behance. And this is our now we are going to save as we are going to name it otherwise it will not save and so I'll be very soon bringing in all for you Photoshop tutorials, so do share and subscribe.